Good morning, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. Welcome to my channel. My name is Becky, for those of you who are new here. So today I wanted to take you guys along with me as I clean up the house and get some chores done for the day. It's about 7 o'clock a.m. right now, and I am ready to get going. I have my workout clothes on, so I'm gonna jog for a little bit, and then after I finish jogging I'm gonna get started on my chores, and I will show you guys my chore list or my to-do list as usual so you guys can see what I'm doing today. And let's get started. So you guys know that every morning when I get up I make the bed, so I'm gonna make the bed, and before I head downstairs to jog on the treadmill. So I have this basket, and before I head downstairs I go into the restroom and I fill it up with dirty clothes, and then I go into my boys' room and also get their dirty clothes, and I go ahead and take this downstairs with me. It just makes it convenient and easy, so I can go ahead and put a load of laundry to wash. Even though the basket is right there, super close, the clothes still end up on the floor. Go figure. So I was gonna make the bed, but my little one wanted to lay back down, so I'm gonna see if she'll go back to sleep, because I think she's still tired, because I got her up a little bit earlier this morning, so see if she goes back to sleep. So the beds are made now. So I'm gonna go ahead and jog for a little bit, and then I'll start doing the other chores. Okay guys, so this is the chore list for this week, and today is Wednesday, so I have to clean the glass, and this week's zone cleaning is zone 4, which is in the master bedroom, and I'm pretty much already done most of the things on this list. I just need to dust the light fixtures, dust the ceiling, dust the vents, clean the lampshades, and clean the window in the master bedroom. And I clean the lampshades just using a little lint roller, so that's what I have to do today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me video and just tagging along with me as I completed my chores for today and my zone cleaning. I hope that this video motivated you and inspired you to get to cleaning your home. I am ready to take a shower because I feel disgusting and my hair is all messed up and I'm sweaty. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all cleaned up, take a shower, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.